indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2018 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.